Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. When Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse first joined Ripple Labs in 2015, he probably didn't expect to become a central figure in one of cryptocurrency's biggest legal battles. To better understand Garlinghouse motivations and goals in the crypto market, we must dig back into the past. Brad Garlinghouse was born and raised in Hutchinson, Kansas. He attended Wichita Southeast High School and graduated from the University of Kansas in 1994 with a Bachelor of Arts majoring in economics. With his sights set on larger horizons, Garlinghouse continues his studies, completing his MBA at Harvard Business School in 1999. Following his MBA from Harvard Business School, Garlinghouse launched his financial career in style, working as an analyst at JP Morgan for 6 years. One of the most well-recognized names in the industry, these years provided Garlinghouse with formative exposure to Wall Street and the World Economic Forum. Then, Brad went on to join Yahoo, one of the internet's biggest names in the early days. In his role as a senior vice president of communications and communities, Garlinghouse oversaw the development of Yahoo Mail. It might sound simple now, almost 20 years later, but these platforms are the building blocks of our modern internet. After everything he brought to Yahoo, Garlinghouse is best remembered for authoring the Peanut Butter Manifesto. This iconic memo internally criticized Yahoo's operations and demanded a more streamlined and efficient work environment. The memo was widely shared across the fintech industry. Moving from one internet giant to another, Garlinghouse joined AOL in 2009 as president of consumer applications. In this role, he was responsible for developing frontline AOL products like AOL Mail and AOL Instant Messaging. Brad's final position before stepping into the world of blockchain and digital assets was the Silver Lake Partners investment firm. As managing director, Garlinghouse scouted potential investment opportunities for the firm, including Dell, Airbnb, and Alibaba Group. In 2015, Garlinghouse left behind the traditional corporate world and joined Chris Larsen at Ripple Labs. Since then, the Ripple CEO has spearheaded the growth and development of the crypto startup and its native token, XRP. Today, the Ripple network is used by hundreds of financial institutions worldwide to send and receive cross-border transactions instantly. During this time, XRP has grown into one of the largest cryptocurrencies in the blockchain industry, rivaling other altcoins like Ethereum and Cardano. Beyond the XRP ecosystem, the Ripple Chief Executive Officer strongly advocates blockchain technology and decentralized services. Brad is a firm supporter of digital assets like Bitcoin and believes they will play an integral role in the future of global financial infrastructure. The Ripple CEO's time leading the blockchain firm has undoubtedly been marred by a lawsuit initiated against Ripple Labs by the SEC. The case aims to bring regulatory clarity to how the XRP cryptocurrency is treated by the US Securities and Exchange Commission. The SEC claims that the XRP token is a security, while Brad and Ripple Labs consider it a currency. The lawsuit has devastated Ripple Labs and XRP, with the token being removed from crypto exchanges like Coinbase. Reduced trading liquidity has made it difficult for XRP to enjoy maximum price appreciation in recent bull markets, with fear, uncertainty, and doubt clouding XRP's future. The case is expected to reach a final resolution within the first half of this year. And this is not the only crackdown the SEC is enforcing on the crypto and blockchain industry. In February 2023, the SEC fined Kraken $30 million over concerns around its taken offering. But on the flip side, while Brad Garlinghouse boasts a wealth of business and management experience in fintech and investment companies, he had no previous work history as a blockchain developer. Arguably, this makes him a questionable choice to lead one of the largest cryptocurrency companies in the world today. The result of the lawsuit against Ripple Labs by the SEC will have far-reaching consequences throughout the blockchain industry. It's important to have a clear understanding of who is fighting for the future of cryptocurrency against SEC and leading one of the crypto's largest networks today. Thanks for staying with me till the end, and I'll see you in the next video.